Hello, welcome to day 10 of our distance learning unit for creative writing, poetry. Today our objective is to determine the meaning of words and phrases as they are used in poetry, including figurative meaning. This is the same objective we've been working on pretty much all unit, and that's reading literature 9.4. So for your do now today, we're going to be adding infinitives and infinitive phrases to our week 5 figurative language and poetry terms. You'll find this in Google Classroom. Here we are, poetry day 10. Here's our assignment you're working on now, and here's the handout. And just as a reminder, this handout is your note taker. This is not a graded assignment. You do not have to turn it in. This is for you to use as a resource while you're taking the quiz, and you will also want to use it during the unit exam. So go ahead and open it up, and we're going to add infinitives and infinitive phrases. Basically, an infinitive is a verb that usually begins with the word to, but it acts as a noun. So here's an example, infinitives, example 1. After learning all about infinitives, Sherry wanted to practice. So here in this sentence, wanted is the verb and to practice would be the infinitive. Even though practice could be an action word, here it's being used as a noun because the word to is before it. So basically you want to remember that anytime there's the word to before a verb, it's probably an infinitive. And then here, an infinitive phrase consists of the infinitive, the to and the verb, along with the modifiers or the word that complements it. So here's an example. To dazzle her teacher is all Sherry ever thinks about. It's why she practices so much. So here, to dazzle is an infinitive, and to dazzle her teacher would be the infinitive phrase. So go ahead and add infinitives and infinitive phrases to your note taker, and then there are a few practice questions here. See if you can identify the infinitive and the infinitive phrase in each of these sentences.